A particle moves in a circle of radius r from A to B, as shown in the figure. Find the distance and displacement covered. Okay. So the previous problem was A to B, where A and B were diametrically opposite. Unlike here, where actually AB makes it actually subtends an angle 60 degree at the center. Right. So AB is the arc here. So AB is the arc, or we can say that AB is actually the magnitude of AB is the arc length. Now we know that there's a formula for arc length. What is it? The arc length is equal to 2 pi r times theta upon 360, where what is theta? Where theta is the angle subtended. In which case, what would be the arc length here? 2 pi r times 60 upon 360, right? Which means we get the value as 2 pi r times 6 by 36, which is 1 by 6, which is further pi r by 3, right? So the distance is pi r by 3. So the distance traveled is equal to pi by 3. Now, we should also calculate the displacement, right? Okay, so when it comes to displacement, we need to find not the arc length AB, we need to find the perpendicular line joining AB. Right? So this was the arc length, so AB was the arc length, this was the distance, and what would be the displacement? The displacement would be this line connecting A and B. And now there exists no relation to find, a mathematical relation to find AB, the arc length and the length of joining A and B. So we need to do a different calculation. Let us draw the triangle complete here, right? And we know that this angle is 60 degree, right? Now, AO and BO are equal. Why are they equal? Because they are the radius of the circle, right? So we can say that if two sides of say for example, let me just draw the diagram. So if we have an isosceles triangle here, if two sides are equal, the corresponding angles will also be equal. So this is side 1 and side 2. The corresponding angle, the opposite angle to side 1 is 1, opposite angle to side 2 is 2, angle 1 and angle 2. So these two angles are also equal. If we apply this figure over here, what do we get? We get that OA is equal to OB. Therefore, the angle opposite to OA, that is angle ABO, will be equal to the angle opposite to the side OB, that which is angle OAB. So OAB and angle OBO are equal, which means OAB is equal to angle OBA. But we know that angle AOB plus angle OAB plus angle OBA is equal to 180. Angle sum property of triangles, right? So if you write this further, what is angle AOB? It is given as 60 degree plus OAB and OBA are equal because we just proved it here. So we can write this as 2 angle OAB is equal to 180. Therefore, what would be angle OAB equal to? That also will be equal to 180 minus 60 the whole upon 2. Therefore, we can say that angle OAB is equal to 60 degree, right? Which is basically 120 by 2. Now, it means that this side is also 60, this angle is also 60, and so is angle ABO. Now, if all the three sides of the angles of a triangle are equal, this simply converges to what we call as a equilateral triangle, which means all the sides are also equal. All the sides are also equal. Therefore, AB should be equal to OB. What is OB? OB is the radius. Therefore, AB is equal to OB is equal to OA. And what is the displacement? The displacement here is AB, and therefore the displacement is R, and the distance traveled is pi by 3.